When I came to America, the next song was number one in the United States. Dusty Springfield was singing this song. But not many people know that this was an Italian song. This was from the Festival of Sanremo, written by Pino Donaggio. The original title was Io che non vivo senza te. In English, they changed the title. You don't have to say you're lonely, but if you do, it's okay. Then later on, this song was made a number one by Elvis as well. I will sing it in both languages.
When I say I needed you, you said you would always stay. It was a me who changed but you, but now you're gone away. Don't you see that now you're gone? And I'm left here on my own. Then I have to follow you and beg you to come on. Io che non vivo più di un'ora senza te, come posso stare una vita senza te? Sei mia, ma niente lo sai, separarci un giorno potrà. Left alone with just a memory, love seems dead and quite unreal. All that's left, it's lonely. There's nothing left to feel. Io che non vivo più di un'ora senza te, come posso stare una vita senza te? Sei mia, sei mia. You don't have to say you love me, just be close up there. You don't have to stay forever, you will understand. Believe me, believe me, believe me.
Grazie, grazie. See, when I was surprised when I came to the United States, they told me that this was an American song. I said, what are you talking about? I used to sing this song in Italy. I just came from Italy. And I knew that it was from the Sanremo Festival.